I hope you like my new images for this channel. It was a collaboration with my photographer who I've used for years. He has shot every publicity shot of mine. He shot our wedding. He's like family, Al Torres. But I really wanted these images to reflect the tone and tenor of this channel. It is lifestyle based. It's about living your best life, exploring your potential, tapping into your creativity. And I really wanted these photos to have that energy. So I hope you feel that they are a true reflection of what I provide here. But what I'm most interested in doing is talking to Al to give you tips and pointers if you have a photo shoot planned, either for yourself or maybe a family shot, how to capture the best images, how to capture that emotion and really bring the pictures to life so that you feel happy with the end result. So I'm going to interview the photographer and give you a behind the scenes. So here's how it all started. Hi, Al.
Hey,
how are you?
Good.
Come on in.
Nice look.
I know, right?
All right. Got some equipment.
Yes,
and,
you do. And ideas.
And some ideas.
Awesome.
Ready to do it.
Good.
Ready to do it. So the images will go straight into this tablet here, and we'll be able to go over them and look at them and fine detail what it is we're trying to achieve and what we're going to get.
That's wonderful. And so maybe we hone in on a look or an image and then we can really fine tune it. And
Right.
That's great to be able to do on location instead of having to wait and show up at a photographer's studio after the fact.
Right. Or looking on the back of the screen. And
Which is
just
small.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I'm really looking for, aside from getting out of these rollers, is shooting in different areas of the house where I shoot my videos. So probably an outdoor shot since we do gardening videos, or in the kitchen. Definitely the bathroom, and definitely Audrey will be featured. Appropriately next to the Peloton. Kind of through here.
Yeah, these are good here.
Yeah.
You want all this as well and just some shots?
Whatever.
Okay.
I'll let you play
we'll
with
mix
it.
up.
Yeah.
Because it's cool to show some
The lights.
yeah, just show some lights and
Right.
just kind of like this here. This is great. They like this. Perfect. Good. Full smile again. Like that.
Love you, Audrey.
Perfect. Okay, good. Yeah, that's
Okay.
good that way.
Great.
Good. Let me get one here.
Okay.
All right.
Just don't ask me to move the Peloton.
Is that heavy?
Just a wee bit.
Your left hand over. Because I'm not getting that wide on this one.
Okay.
I think it's important that they trust the photographer to do what it is they're looking for based on the images that they've seen. Mm-hmm. Oftentimes they'll come in and say, we want to do an image like the one you've done already. And it makes it easier. For me, it does.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. Oh, these are so fun. So fun. See, there's nothing like instant gratification.
Right.
Especially when it comes to photography.
The ability to show them as you're shooting, it really gives a person a sense of relief. Then you see them starting to get, okay, let's try it this way. Now they're part of the photo shoot and it becomes fun for them. So it works out really good. This has really been helping. Perfect, that's good like that. Very good. Keep your left hand there, bring your right hand right to your neck, this area here, like that. Good. Eyes closed, mouth open slightly, and cool, stay that way. And just like that. I would say 90% are very, I don't want to say fearful, but it's almost like they're going to the doctors. They have that sense of worry because they don't see what the photographer sees. Oftentimes they think, you know, we're getting all this, and a lot of times we're getting close, a close-up image and the background's blurred out. And then that gives them a sense of, oh, okay, I get it. Now I know.
Different. Love it. Very different. That's great.
That. Look right into that light. Right at it like that. Got it. Good. Good. Laugh again at it and still. Wow, hold on 1 second. That's cool. Like this. Good. Stay just like that. Chin up just a tiny bit so I get some light underneath that hat. Good. Look right at that light again.
Closet shoot is done. Closet shoot is done. Very fun. Just, it's like you caught me in the middle of doing something, which I like. Not so posed.
These look like the shots you would see of somebody in their closet, Well, that you weren't in your closet, so.
So there you go, mission accomplished. And there's such a difference between corporate photography and creative photography. But corporate shouldn't be boring or stale either.
Right. And that's going to be based on the business itself. We're finding a lot that lawyers are coming in and doing without the tie. They want to do it a little bit more approachable. So they're doing it without their tie and a little more of a lean and not so stuffy, not so corporate.
Right.
There are some that you still have to do in that way, but they're changing.
So this shot in the kitchen makes sense since I've done so many floral arrangements and tutorials in here. And I just put these guys together. We can do pictures with flowers.
These are good. Got it. I'm keeping it in line too. I think doing family in an environment where it's very natural are the best ones. And to get somebody to laugh, that's how you get a natural smile. They feel silly laughing, that it becomes natural. That's how you get the shot. That's when you take it. The subject seems to be in their own place, and if you're a photographer and you can see that, you can capture that moment. And it's just, that's what people want.
My favorite shots, and people always do this in photos, especially families and groups, everybody's looking forward. But sometimes just the conversation and the interaction brings out something magical.
Yeah, it really does. Like the ones we did, the mother and daughter. Those are my favorite ones when you all were looking at each other, talking and laughing. Those are the best.
Let me know if a lizard shows up on my head. Okay. It's lizard season.
Just being, like this. Good, perfect. Yeah, this is showing the whole setup and everything.
Okay, great. Let's do maybe some sides so we get more color.
Okay. Perfect. And you can hear the camera going off, make slight adjustments as we do it. Again.
Is this what you call self-love?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Good. Laughing again on these here. And good. Chin up a little bit. And cool. All right. Go ahead.
What has made these images work in this photo shoot?
I think the concept that you came with already done it. And the ability to change, of course, your angles, and that helps.
If it feels awkward and uncomfortable, it probably looks great.
Right.
So really bring it on in terms of motion, personality, facial features. More is always better.
Right, you're exactly right. A lot of times they feel sore and they're like, I don't know how models do it because they're contorted sometimes, but that's how you get the best angles.
Very neat with the hat. Those I can't get over. You're right, you said it's like I'm floating because the grass is so dark.
Once we tweak that, look at that.
Wow, what an unusual concept.
You really got to show that we are
In the water.
Yeah.
We're in the pool. What is the best part about being a photographer for you?
For me, it's always been that I know these images will be worth something to you later on. A lot of times a parent doesn't want to do the pictures with their child. They go, no, just them. And I always tell them, trust me, he's going to want a picture of you and him when he comes back home when he's 30, 40 years old, and you'll be glad you did them.
You're right, they are precious mementos.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They say that, in a fire, what they go back for, other than like your dog, your and your old photographs, because once they're gone, that's it. You don't have nothing else.
Yeah.